previous class we are learned about the transfer function to state space model. In this class, to solve the problems related to state space model, for this analysis I will take the small problem to convert the given transfer function to the state space model. So for this analysis, y of s by u of s equal to s square plus 2s plus 4 by s cube plus 3s square plus 6s plus 10. So for this transfer function converted into the following modifications: y of s by u of s equal to x of s by u of s into y of s by u of s is equal to 1 by s cube plus 3s square plus 6s plus 10 into s square plus 2s plus 4. So for this equation, I will take in x of s by u of s equal to LHS side. First transfer function is taken 1 by s cube plus 3s square plus 6s plus 10, then x of s by u of s. So by cross multiplying the above equation, s cube x of s plus 3s square x of s plus 6s into x of s plus 10 into x of s is equal to u of s. By applying the inverse Laplace transform of above equation, that is equal to dx cube by dt cube, s cube x of s is converted into the dx cube by dt cube, s square x of s is converted into the dx square by dt square, x into x of s is converted into the dx by dt. So by applying the inverse Laplace transform, so our equation is modified into dx cube by dt cube plus 3 into dx square by dt square plus 6 into dx by dt plus 10x equal to u of t. So this equation is a third order equation. We have to consider three state variables. One is x1, x2, x3. So x1 equal to x, x2 equal to dx by dt, that is equal to x1 bar equal to x2. So x3 equal to d square x by dt square, so that is equal to x2 bar equal to x3. x3 bar equal to dx cube by dt cube. By this equation I written as that is equal to minus 3 into dx square by dt minus 6 into dx by dt plus 10x plus u of t. Dx square by dt square equal to x3, dx by dt equal to x2 and x equal to x1. So that is equal to x3 bar equal to minus 10x1 minus 6x2 minus 3x3 plus u of t. So this is equation 3. Equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3 can be written in the matrix model. So x1 bar equal to 0 into x1, 1 into x1 plus 0 into x2 plus 0 into u of t. x2 bar equal to 0 into x1 plus 0 into x2, 1 into x3, 0 into x2 bar equal to x3. So x3 bar equal to equation 3 minus 10 into x1 minus 6 into x2 minus 3 into x3 plus 1 into u of t. So for the second equation taken as output equation, that is equal to y of s by x of s equal to this is a numerator term of RHS side s square plus 2s plus 4. By cross multiplying this equation, y of s equal to s square x of s plus 2s into x of s plus 4 into x of s. By applying the inverse Laplace of this equation, s square x of s converted into the d square x by dt square, s into x of s converted into the dx by dt, x of s is converted into the x. So y of t equal to d square x by dt square plus 2 into dx by dt plus 4x. So I considered already three state variable equal to x equal to x1, dx by dt equal to x2, d square x by dt is equal to x3. So by changing these variables, so output equation by changing these variables, by changing these variables, y of t equal to 4 into x1 plus 2 into x2 plus x3. So y equal to 4 into x1 matrix, you have to convert to the above equation to the matrix form. 4 into x1 plus 2 into x2 plus 1 into x3, that is equal to output equation. For second problem, I consider the system defined by y triple bar equal plus 6 y double bar plus 11y bar plus 6y equal to 6u, where y is the output, where u is the input of the system. Obtain the state space model. So for this equation, y triple bar means dq by dt cube, y double bar means d square by dt square, plus y bar means dy by dt. So above equation is converted to the dq by dt cube plus 6 into d square by dt square plus 11 into dy by dt plus 6y equal to 6u. This is also third order equation. I will choose three state variables x1, x2 and x3. So x1 equal to y, so x2 equal to dy by dt, that is equal to x1 bar equal to x2. So x3 equal to d square by dt square, x2 bar equal to x3, x3 bar equal to d cube by dt cube. So for this equation, d cube by dt cube equal to, so x3 bar, d square by dt is equal to x3, dy by dt equal to x2, y equal to x1 plus 6u. So for this analysis, so x1 equal to y, so x3 bar equal to x3 bar plus 6x3 plus 11x2 plus 6x1 equal to u. So by equation modified in this way, x3 bar equal to minus 6x3 minus 11x2 minus 6x1 plus u, x6u. So equation 1, 2, 3 represented in the matrix form. X1 bar equal to 0 into x1 plus 1 into x2, 0 into x3 plus 0 into u of t. X1 bar equal to x2, x2 bar equal to 0 into x1 plus 0 into x2, 1 into x3 plus 0 into u of t. X2 bar equal to x3, x3 bar equal to minus 6 into x1 minus 11 into x2 minus 6 into x3 plus 0 into u of t, 1 into u of t, 6 to, so minus 6x1 minus 11x2 minus 6. This is the state equation. You get the output equation. So output equation, for this output equation, y of t equal to x1. Already you have taken x1 equal to y, y of t equal to x1. So this equation is converted into the matrix form. So y of y equal to 1 0 0 into x1 x2 x3. So 1 into x1 plus 0 into x2 plus 0 into x3 equal to y equal to x1. Thank you.